Hello YouTube, it's Physical256 and I'm here with three eagles that are random and we are in an eagle adventure and of course, we're just collecting gem shards. I'm just going to go over the basics in an eagle adventure today. Uh, Basically, I will be doing a purple one and how to freeze time second. Um, And so this video is gonna last about, I don't know, 17 minutes. Just bear with me, and yeah. So basically, an eagle adventure is pretty straightforward. You collect all the gem shards, and you get prizes. You have to get 25 out of 25 out of the emerald and the gold, and you need to be able to get 20 out of 20 of the oasis sapphires, and you also need to be able to get 15 out of 15 of the silver, which I assume are diamonds. So, also, I'm sorry for my screen being junky. I have an iMac, and it is sometimes sometimes very painful because the mouse will sometimes, if I accidentally move my finger on it too much, it will slide back and forth, and it probably looks really odd to you guys. But just bear with it again. Greens are obtained, or emeralds, as I more like to call them. Good terms, I mean, I don't like people who say like, green, but yeah. There's usually an emerald right here, but it's usually glitched on my screen. I can never see it. I mean, I always see like every adventure. I see like, oh, maybe I can see it, but it's never there. And golds, as you can see, glimmer in the ground for you to pick up, so they're not too hard to miss. Emerald is usually the easiest. See right here, right out in the open. Uh, Sapphires not so much. You have to be able to carry water 24/7 in an eagle adventure. The silver is pretty easy actually, in my opinion. Collect. You just sit on the glowing cactus, the cactus with the glowing feet, per se. The blue, obviously, you have to have. You obviously have to have. Oh no, silver mine. Oh, see, I was one step short, and of course, look what happens. But whatever. Um, and yeah, as you can see in the cactus with the growing feet, that is usually how you get the silver. Whenever I pass someone getting a gem, I always need to assure that they have gotten it, because I thought that's easy. Oh, maybe it's rare. No, it's not. It's just starting. But whatever. She probably has water pretty close to her, I'm assuming, because it's usually not water where she is, right? Should be, anyways, in any case. Oh, maybe I should help her. Feel bad for not helping. I mean, I'm passing right next to her, right? Oh, and here's a gold, and righty. I'm not going to. It's going to be a very long path from where I've started. That's a bit crude, is it not? But yeah. I'm just going to play to build a home right now, and by the cinematic orchestra, because there's nothing really much to talk about, except follow my Instagram at physical256, and I'll be doing a long spike giveaway at 1,000 followers. On my personal account, I do have about 500 something. I'm trying to get 600 and trying to reach 401k, but on my Animal Jam account, I seem to be gaining followers like super quick. I can get 30 followers in one day just for posting about, say, a trade list or something, and I'm just like, wow. So if you follow me on there and you subscribe to me on here, you will have a double chance at winning in my giveaway. Although that is not fair to people who do not have YouTube accounts, but you may tell me and I will arrange, stuff. So yeah, other than that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on my YouTube account. and once I reach 1K on here, I will be doing a spike giveaway, a long spike giveaway. It's going to be, if once I reach 1K on Instagram and YouTube, I will be doing a spike giveaway. It has to be on IG and YouTube because that way, you know, I don't want to do too many giveaways at once because that sounds, I don't know, giveaways are usually for more followers and that's not exactly what I'm reaching for. I just want to be able to have you guys, you know, just be happy with the giveaways. I'm only going to do one giveaway right now, currently, because I am sort of new to giveaways, actually, to be honest. So yeah, that's about it. Almost done with this adventure, but who cares? Also, the reason you are only seeing part of the screen is because of the fact that Animal Jam, I usually crop the screen so you can only see the AJ screen because if I do not crop the screen, it records my entire iMac screen and it is pretty big for people on small devices such as iPods or maybe iPads, I guess, iPad minis, iPhones to watch. It's a real pain in the you know where. So real pain in the buttocks. But yeah, that's usually why I don't just kind of just record the whole screen seamlessly. But yeah, so now that you know, I'm just going to play this is my orchestra, even though we are almost done with this adventure.
There's a tree as old as me, branches were sown by the color of green. Ground had a rose and past its leaves. By the cracks of his skin I climbed to the top. I climbed the tree to see the world. When the guys came around to blow me down, held on as tightly as you held on me. Held on as tightly as you held on me.
So you all, I love you all. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I will be releasing this video shortly. I can just upload it pretty quickly. So I love you all, and please recommend your friends and send me things from Mail Times because that would be amazing, amazing, amazing. Since I really, really want to be able to do Mail Time with all my fans sent. So basically that's it, and that is all. And bye. Please don't forget happy jamming and play fair. Alright, play fair. I'm enjoying this. Oh, it's not working. Play fair, you guys. Happy jamming.